day, man. It's been a day. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna drop a book off in Louisville, man. This is the first alarm clock in Louisville. You know what I'm saying? And like real quick, since it's Easter, you know what I'm saying? Let's talk about the, you know what I'm saying? Oh wow, I already signed it. You know what I mean? I already done signed it on my cousin's birthday. How about that? Yeah, we dropping this in Louisville. Shout out to Ashley, one love, yo. You know what I'm saying? So, here in the alarm clock, to say, my mother, she was born right here in this city. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm about to drop her book off right here in Louisville. We on Bardstown Road with it. You know what I mean? So, my family, if you watching this, you know what I mean? You can get the Bardstown Road. You know what I'm saying? You get my book, man. Yeah, no more suits. We in the city. This the first alarm clock. You know what I mean? That we dropped off here. Like, I mean, my uncles and my family might have got a copy, but I'm talking about like, you know what I'm saying? Me actually, no more suits actually. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to drop it off. And I'm gonna give me a book. I seen the book or something, so it's right there. It's right there. I love going this way. Really do. So I'm gonna get the alarm clock. Oh, this for kids. Okay, I'm gonna get something for my son. Let's see. Put this right here. Shout out to No More Suits. Get the whole alarm clock. That's Seed Planet. I love you, mama. I love you. I know you used to walk these streets. You know what I'm saying? Your son came back for you. Now, let me get a book for my son. Let me see. Elmo, Sesame Street. We're gonna get him that. That's OG right there. That's OG right there. Elmo was a Moor. Okay. Moors. So, drop a book. Get a book. You feel me? We on, say 1559 Bardstown Road. That's where we at with it, man. No more suits. Feel me? That's what we do. So